This is a quick tutorial showing you the steps to assign a test in LinkIt. To get to LinkIt, you can go to Teacher Links and on the sidebar, click LinkIt. This will then redirect you to the home page where you may have to sign in with your Google account. If you're not already signed in, then you'll just click Sign in with Google. If you are signed in, then you'll just go to the top where the different tabs are and you'll want to go over to Online Testing. From Online Testing, you'll click Assign Online Tests. Here, you'll select the grade that you are assigning it to. The subject, which if you're doing the LinkIt Form A, will be for Language Arts. The LinkIt test will come up on the bank, and then again, you'll click for the LinkIt Form A. If you want to preview the test to see the types of questions or how many there are, you can go ahead and click this blue button. From here, you want to make sure that this check mark is on Use Rosters at time of test taking. This is in case you assign the test and then you have new students who come onto your roster. It'll automatically give those students the test as well. From here, you'll come down and then you'll find your name in the list of teachers. And then you'll select the class, which should be the reading class that you have. If you have two reading class rosters, you'll just double check that the one that you want is matching the roster that you have on Genesis or your own roster that you know of. We're seeming to have problems with rosters at this point, so if you could just double check that, that would be awesome. Once you've double checked that those are the kiddos in your class, you can go ahead and press Assign. And from here, you'll see that this is now assigned and it's ready to go for you to give.